and then veggie. My coffee, my cup of boiling coffee in the morning. My people, this is my Jamaica coming to you live from Kingston, the greatest morning show in the world. My name is Empress, and I'm saying wake up with us and put a smile on your face. All right, now, my people, let's get serious. On the other side of the break, we find out how UTech is celebrating their big 60th on the stage. But before we go to UTech stage, we go to the Smile stage. Here's Slick and the Dutty Bus Crew, Reggae Vibration.
Yeah, we're back like a heart attack, yeah. You know, everybody tune in and they say, what's going on in TVJ? Them say them hear about Rastic and Dutty Bus Crew, you know. And the vibe is right. So they are inquiring. This is what they're asking. Yo, what's going on over here? They must say, what's going on over here? What's going on over here? It's a reggae vibration, celebration. What's going on over here? They must say, what's going on over here? What's going on over here? It's a reggae vibration, celebration. Them hear the sound and them are in choir. Rastic and Dutty Bus about it like a fire. Say from the music right, I know me say me not retire. I say me sing the one loud like a church choir. Hey, say music in me heart and my soul. See reggae music get me out of control. Yo, from me mama bird me. Them know me money can't thirsty, so they what's going on over here? Them a say what's going on over here? What's going on over here? It's a reggae vibration, celebration. What's going on over here? Them a say what's going on over here? What's going on over here? It's a reggae. What a phrase! Ow! City, Jaja town, them want to turn it in a dead man town, yo. A bloody city, bloody town. But that him say, yo, 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 yo. And look how low. Jaja City, Jaja town, them want to turn it in a dead man town, Lord. Wow. Jaja City. Bang, bang, bang. Musical vibe in the early morning, you know what I'm saying? Yeah! Drum and bass!